Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 59 Trendy Bathroom Ideas, your go-to guide for transforming your bathroom into a stylish retreat. From sleek minimalist designs to luxurious spa-like setups, these ideas will inspire you to create a bathroom that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. One of the biggest benefits of these trendy designs is their ability to maximize space. Compact bathrooms can feel spacious and open with clever layouts, smart storage solutions, and light-reflecting surfaces. For example, a frameless glass shower paired with floating vanities can make even the smallest bathroom look modern and roomy. Another highlight is the use of bold materials and textures. Imagine a bathroom with matte black fixtures, herringbone tiles, and wooden accents, combining natural warmth with contemporary edge. These designs show how the right mix of elements can add personality and sophistication to your space. Lastly, these ideas prove that lighting is key. From soft, ambient lighting around mirrors to striking pendant lights above a bathtub, the right lighting can transform your bathroom's atmosphere. One example features an LED-lit mirror paired with natural stone walls for a luxurious, calming effect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Thena's channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite bathroom design in the comments below. Sit back, relax, and let these beautiful ideas inspire your next renovation. Happy watching!